The man lost connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before beginning. Please watch my video till end, like, share to all your friends. A man in a dim light room lived who was once been deeply connected to their faith to Allah over time. The man's busy life and distractions lead him to neglect his prayers and spiritual practices. One day, the man decided to take a walk in nature, seeking peace and clarity by a seeing lake. He looked at his reflection, realizing how distant he had become from their Creator. The man got feeling to earn the faith again towards Allah. He visited a mosque during prayer time. During that moment, his heart felt heavy with regret and hesitation as rain fell outside their window. He started asking wish about the mercy of Allah and how he had distanced himself from Allah. With tears in his eyes, he finally fell to his knees in prayer, asking for forgiveness and guidance as the sun rose. The next day, the man resolved to reconnect with Allah and rebuild his relationship. He began to volunteer and help those less fortunate, realizing that true happiness came from serving others and drawing closer to Allah. With time, their devotion deepened. He found peace in prayer, the Quran, and the remembrance of Allah, realizing the importance of maintaining a strong relationship with Allah. The story reminds us that life's distractions can lead us away from Allah, but it's never too late to return. Through reflection, humility, and sincere repentance, we can rebuild our connection with Him, just as rain revives the earth. Tears of remorse can rejuvenate our souls, leading us back to the path of spiritual fulfillment. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.